What's up, buddy? You want a pizza? Paul. Good boy. What's up, buddy? Good boy. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start off by saying this. If you guys want to add me on the PlayStation Network, I have a Black Ops 4 and I got FIFA 19. If you guys want to get whooped, follow me. Add my username. I'll link all of this in the comment section below. I don't know if you guys stick around for the whole video, but I wanted to put it at the beginning of the video. And follow my Instagram. It's the same thing. It's GeorgieDayz. What else? Work's been kind of slow right now, as you can see as you're gonna see in the video. Like, my parts racks are empty. Like, my bay is completely empty. Like, there's a lot of like shit going on. I'll probably update you guys on that later. But for right now, this is what I have for you guys. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. Get my gamer tag so we can play. But yeah. So I got this Kia Rio here that I need to replace not replace, but I just need to remove and install the front bumper. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I start off by removing the push clips that are at the top. I believe it has 4 of them. Yeah, 4. I removed 4 of these push clips with my panel clip removal tool. Once I do that, it has 2 10mm bolts one on each side. One on the left side and one on the right side. I remove those. Then I go to the side and it has a bolt going upwards that goes to the fender and the bumper, and I remove that one. And then my fender liner that is attached to the bumper has 4 pushing clips as well. I don't remember, 4 or 5. So I remove those individually. Once I remove all of these, I just go ahead and switch to the other side. And on the other side, I don't show the whole process because it's basically the same thing that I'm doing here. So you just repeat that on the other side. Like I said, I remove the 10 that goes from the fender to the bumper. Then I remove the pushing clips on the other side. And look at the background, guys. Like, there's nothing in the back. Like, there's no cars in my stall. My parts racks are empty. But yeah, man. Then I go to the bottom and I show you guys that it has 6 10mm bolts, like on this under shield here, like this engine cover at the bottom. And I showed it here because it's kind of dark on the next frame, so you kind of can't see it. And then I just remove those individually. And I sped up the video so we can get it moving. Like I said, I just remove those one by one. It's a pretty straightforward. Kia is pretty easy to work on. They're not too bad. But once I do that, I go back to the top. Well, I pry my bumper apart. And I'm like pulling here. I'm doing it carefully, but with some like force behind it. And then I get my panel clip removal tool, and it has 2 guide slots, one on each side, and I'm kind of just removing them, prying them apart. And then I go to the other side and then remove my bumper apart from this side too. Once I do that, I just disconnect my wires, do all of that good stuff, and that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to get some more videos for you guys. I'm working on getting a power steering pump for my Acura TL. I need to start working on that. Start working on just that car in general, get my hands on it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Again, thanks for always watching and commenting and subscribing. And I'll see you guys around for more. Peace.